Pencil AI review. Is this marketing tool legit or scam? So what is Pencil AI? Pencil AI is a creative platform that uses artificial intelligence to generate video ads, image creatives, and copy, all optimized for performance. You plug in your brand assets, and Pencil produces ready-to-run ads for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. It's built for marketers, agencies, and e-commerce brands who want to scale content fast. Here's what Pencil AI offers: automated ad generation using your brand kit, creative analytics to track performance, integrations with Meta, Google, and TikTok ad platforms, an ever-growing library of ad templates, copywriting suggestions based on high-converting trends. It's designed to reduce ad fatigue and boost ROAS with data-backed creativity. Its pros include being a huge time saver for content-heavy campaigns. It generates multiple creative variations quickly and is backed by real performance data, not guesswork. However, it's not cheap. It starts at around $150 a month, which might be steep for small businesses. Some generated creatives feel generic, so manual tweaking is often needed. Final verdict: it's 100% legit, used by real brands and agencies with proven results. If you're running paid ads and need fast, scalable creatives, it can seriously level up your game. But if you're on a tight budget or want full creative control, it might not be the right fit. So that's an honest review of Pencil AI.